All right, the end of Yugoslavia. Now, Yugoslavia is a communist bloc country, a part of Eastern Europe. So it's one of these countries that was founded under the ideology of communism. It's going to naturally align more with the Soviet Union and these second world countries, these communist bloc countries, simply because they're communist than they are the NATO countries and the United States of America. Then in 1990 through 1992, this country is going to start to break apart. Okay, there's a number of communist revolutions going on around Europe at this time period, and Yugoslavia is going to have that exact same thing. We're going to get the different countries right through here. We're going to have Croatia, that one right in the middle with the checkerboard. We're going to get Slovenia up to the left, that red, white, and blue one with a little white mountain on top of it. We're going to get Bosnia-Herzegovina, and that's the important one. It's going to cause a lot of tension we're going to be talking about right there in the middle with the triangle. We're going to have the red one with the golden eagle down below, Montenegro. Serbia, the red, white, and blue one with the white eagle, double-headed eagle in the middle. And finally, the former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia, FYROM, as it's labeled on a number of maps. However, today, as of 2019, it is now called North Macedonia, much to the disgrace of a number of Greeks. Okay, there's a bit of a conflict going on right through there, but we're not going to be talking about that conflict right now. Now, the Bosnian Civil War. The Bosnian Civil War is going to start on April 6, 1992, and this is when Bosnia-Herzegovina is going to declare independence and going to declare themselves their own distinct country. We are no longer Yugoslavia, we are now Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now, Bosnia-Herzegovina is a unique country in the fact that it's got three very distinct ethnic groups. Okay, we've got the Muslim Bosniaks in here. They're going to be the ones on this map that are going to be green. We're going to have the Orthodox Serbs, the ones who are going to be red. And we're going to have the Catholic Croats, the ones who are going to be blue. So it's going to be going in this country, and a lot of tensions are going to be happening at this time. Now, the Bosnian Serbs are going to boycott this independence referendum simply because they want to form their own republic. They don't want to be a part of Bosnia-Herzegovina. They want to be their own republic in their own country. Now, the Bosnian Serbs are going to be supported by Serbian President Slobodan Milosevic. Okay, Milosevic is the president of Serbia, and he is going to naturally kind of align himself with the Bosniaks Serbs in whatever they call, not the Bosniaks, Muslim Bosniaks, okay? The Bosnian Serbs, they're going to align themselves with them simply because, number one, ethnically they're from the same ethnic group, and number two, religion is going to be the same, okay? Orthodox and Orthodox. They want to keep it the same. So the Bosnian Serbs are supported heavily by Milosevic, the president of Serbia. Now, this is going to cause and lead into the attack of Sarajevo for 1,425 days. This is going to be the longest attack, the longest siege currently in modern warfare. This is a number of years, and this is going to go on, and actually 1,541 people are going to be killed as a result of this attack. A number of people killed, very, very problematic thing. And then in July of 1995, 8,000 plus, so we don't actually know the exact number, but we know it's over 8,000 men and boys are massacred by the Bosnian Serb army. Now, as you can imagine, the rest of the world is seeing this going on, and they're not real happy, and they're upset with what's going on. So NATO, okay, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, is going to respond by bombing Bosnian Serb bases. They're going to force them to negotiate and force them to form a peace treaty, go to the table, and figure out what is going on. Now, the Bosnian Serbs realize that the longer they hold out, that NATO is going to respond and consistently keep bombing them, and they have really no chance of getting anything if they do not go to the peace treaty or the negotiating table and find a peace treaty quick. And as a result of this bombing by NATO, there is going to be a peace treaty. And that's going to come about in Dayton, Ohio, over in the United States of America on November 21st, 1995. So what's going to happen is this treaty is going to divide Bosnia-Herzegovina into two ethnic countries along different ethnic lines. So first and foremost, we're going to have the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. This is going to be 51% of the country, and this is going to be the Muslim Bosniaks and the Catholic Croats. And we're going to have the Republic of Srpska, which is going to be 49% of the country, and this is going to be for the Bosnian Serbs. So basically, we're taking the country, dividing it roughly into half, and keeping these two different ethnic groups apart, giving them some of their own sovereignty within their historical ethnic region. Right here you can see a map, okay, the Republic of Srpska up in red, the Federation of Bosnia-Herzegovina in green and in blue right through here. So we're going to take this. This is meant to be a temporary solution. However, this is still in place today. So we've got this country of Bosnia-Herzegovina going to be really kind of divided up in these two different countries really that are going to work together fairly well up until now, keep this going 2019, hopefully moving on further. That's going to be what's happening as a result of the Dayton Accords. Questions, comments, put them down below. Otherwise, I will see you later and good luck.